Yes, here we are, Meep City. Yay! I'm gonna go fishing right now. Okay. Cast away. Wait. Am I even? Okay. Right over there. That was way too far over. Whoa. No. Okay. Right there. Oh. Okay. This thing is glitching like really bad. Oh no, it moved! That would have got it like spot on. If I just like got them both. Okay. No. Dang it. Okay. No, that was nothing. That was nothing. Yes, I got one. How much? If it's only like 2 coins, I'm gonna... Really? 4 coins? But not as bad as 2. Why won't it close? How would we be done fishing? 'Cause that was so stupid. I'll sell my fish in a bit. How about... Okay, I know what I need. I need a TV and a rug. TV and a rug. Okay, can we get those? Okay. Whoa, that girl just tried to jump on me. I saw you. Home improvement. Here we come. Kyla. You see that, guys? Kyla. Sorry, don't know why that's so funny. It's not, Kyla. It's not even funny at all. That's what you think. Haters gotta hate. Just kidding. Who is that? If her name was Kyla, too. Okay. I need entertainment. No, wait, how much do I have? No! Dang it. I guess I should fish to get more money. Okay. Let's cast a line. Oh, they just like switch spots, kinda. Okay. Can we get that one? No, we cannot. Too far over. What if I just go like boom? No! You moved. Why did I just cry? I thought for sure I would have him. No! Okay. I'm redoing that cast then. Oh, I'm going to go for that far one. And it moved. Thanks. What if I got one? No way! I got one. That is just funny. Why are these kids gathering around me? What have I done to you? Sorry. Had to say that, guys. Well, I got another one. And then, okay, you're gonna jump on my head, girl. Will you please get off of my head? Okay. I want to try to catch her. Can I, like, throw it on her? No! I wanted to throw it on her head. And you moved. I would have got you spot on. You didn't move. Well, I got you this time. Haha. So I have like a perfect throw and I only get like 3 coins. 4 coins, whatever. And it moved. So mad at you guys. Well, that was like... Oh, so that other girl got it, but not me? Is that one moved? Okay, good. Got that one. I for sure am gonna get this one. Why is my voice going like, what? And I didn't get that one? Because you need to throw it so far it turns red. No. Okay, I have 5 fish out of 20. No. I'm gonna go for that far one since it like just moved. And okay, I used to be like so good at this. Like, I would have got that. Fish if it didn't move. Okay. The music is so peaceful. 5 coins, okay. Not that bad, but I got one that was 22 coins, so rather have that. Ooh, that was a good catch. 5 coins again. I'm like, it's 5 coins is better than like 2 coins. Is what I'm trying to say. That girl like lost. It was like so close to her. I kind of feel bad for you, just a little. Just kidding, guys. I feel bad. Why would I feel bad for someone who didn't catch a fish? Why can't I? People should be feeling bad for me. No, I gotta concentrate. We're all going for those 2. And I'm the only one that got it. Ba-ba-ba-da. No, keep the music. Way to go. Yes. Well, at least I got them both, kinda. No, you moved. I'm gonna go for you. They're all coming to me because they know I can't catch them. But little do they know, this one I'm gonna get them. And I do. Alright, I think 10 is it. Let's go, guys. Let's go sell my fish. So you have to go to the pet store. Wee. I like jumping over it. Wee. I know I'm weird like that. Wee. Okay, go to the pet store. Focus on the pet store. The neighborhood. I love the neighborhood. Whoa, that music changed though. Okay. Go here, sell my fish. 44 coins. I hope did I get through? Yes, I got 300. Okay, now we just have to. What about shop? What does shop do? Oh, that's so cute. Meep accessories. That's why I didn't have any Meep accessories. Alright. I gotta get him, some cute stuff. What is he like? Okay, chicken suit. Okay, I am not bacon hair. Okay. I wish I could see that blonde spiked hair, but no. I can't. Alright. Cutie sounds like a girl name, but it's actually a boy, so. Wait, can I see that? Wait. What does it look like? Oh, that. Never mind, I don't want that. Okay. What's wild and crazy here? Ooh, I kind of like that. Deluxe game headset. This is so hard to choose because there's like nothing good. Halo, yeah, we should get him a halo. No, dog ears or cat ears? I like dog. I want him to be a dog. Then this dino. Alright. Because that dino is really cute. Okay, let's go. Now we gotta go to... No. Now we gotta go to... Oh, I thought it was opening the door for me. And I'm like, I'm not even there yet. but no. Alright, so, whoa, that girl is crazy. Let's go to Meep. Dress up. I want the dog ears on him. No, X that. Alright. Where's my Meep? Oh. Call Meep, okay. How does he look? Oh, what if I put the dino stuff on him? What does it look like? Will you get out of me? Okay. I think I'm gonna take the ears off because it looks like he's like, I don't know. Alright. Ooh, no, not plus, you stupid thing. My phone is really dumb. How's that dino thing look? He looks weird in it, but it does cute. Let's go buy another thing. I love buying stuff for him. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Shop. It's like no good stuff, though. I really do like the headset, but I don't have enough for that. I did like the headset a little bit. Oh, what about the shark knit? I want him to be cute, so. Dark chocolate top. Oh, there's more? There's even more than that. A lot of these are like kind of expensive, you know? Alright. I'll just get this, the knit, this one. Purchase! Alright. Now, let's see how he looks in it. I don't know why I keep going out. So far, the dog ears are the cutest. Oh, wow! I do like that. That is cute. But his color, I really wanted to change his color. But I have to get plus. Okay. So do you like, it's up to him. Does he like the shark? Or the dino? What one? I really like the dino better, so dino it is. Okay, X that. Now we gotta go to home improvement and we'll get you a little mat. I just really, okay, what? Okay. Let's go to, where do we go to? Okay, I'm gonna guess living room. Just let me guess. Yes, living room. Okay, he wanted green. Okay, now we gotta teleport to my estate. Okay. Okay, I'm here. Oh, I'm like right on the right there. Okay, well, I'm going to put the rug down and then oopsie. Cuz his favorite color is green. I like that right there. No, I actually like it right. No. That looks upside down. Oh no, wait. I like it right there. Wait, let me see it. Okay, so yeah. It's upside down, so I got, whoa, okay. I guess it, oh, it has to be like that. Okay. Is that good? Do you like it, cutie? Oh yes, he loves his new stuff. Where is he? Oh, look how cute he is. Okay. Bye, guys. Oh, I just earned 50 coins. Bye, guys.